What's up, guys? Welcome to another video game studio, and today we are playing a little game of Love Letter with more players, and I am going to introduce you who I'm playing with. Let's start with Kill Uncle, the ever notorious Kill, Itlog, the ever wild card, and of course me, your weird kiddo from the block, Mr. Lino, and of course we are playing with the fourth player, who is usually our moderator, and it's Sandman, and he's playing with us. And if you're curious how Sandman is playing while he's the moderator, we are playing via netgames.io. If you want to know what's that about, the link is in the description below. And before we start, I'm now going to hand it over to Sandman.
Thank you very much, Kiddo. Yes, gumagamit kami right now ng netgames.io. Unsolicited po yan. Check it out. They have games like Love Letter, One Night Ultimate Werewolf, Avalon, Spyfall, meron na sila. Some other games, feel free to check it out. That's how I am playing. Love Letter for 4 players. The first point na po si Itlog. And we're gonna start with Itlog. Itlog, do your action.
Parang sanay na si Skido mag-open, no?
No, actually Actually, pansin ko eh.
Why don't we just make him open all this stuff? What a great idea.
No.
Itlog, use the freeze card. Sinag na kagad ang card ko. Grabe. Kagad naman doon. Gagamitin ko na agad yan. It's Kill Uncle's turn.
Grabe. Mauunahan. Ako ba target nyo or una niya akong patayin si Sandman?
Kill Uncle uses the guard card. Uses it. Well, let's see. Mukhang si Itlog yan.
No.
Yes.
Huwag niyo muna patayin. Papatayin ko muna si Sandman.
Not the king. Itlog is not the king. My turn. Sige. Nakita na to ni Itlog. Gagamitin ko na po ang handmade ko. I'm protected for 1 round. Nakita na naman Itlog dyan.
Yeah, okay.
It's Kiddo's turn. He is using the card.
Oh my God. Target ako.
Itlog is not the princess. Ang bilis na. Grabe.
Okay ba, Itlog?
Sino na? Siya. Itlog ulit.
Basta na?
Protected. Force field. Wow, Itlog discards the countess. Interesting.
Mag-guard na naman ako nito.
The countess. Sino may prince? Paki-ano na dyan? Okay, let's see.
Sandali.
Uncle's turn na. Itlog discards the countess. Interesting. It's Kill Uncle. Sige lang. Pinag-isipan ni Kill Uncle. Ano kayo dalawang card niya? Intense.
You have to remember, Itlog is in the lead. And like Sandman is planning to do a mini-series of this, so...
Kailangan mo rin tandaan na ngayon lang naglaro si Sandman.
Na-record din.
Minsan mo lang siya mapapatay.
Pag hindi po kami nag-record din sa
Actually, that was my initial... That was my initial plan, but when you made me open, the games are forever changed.
There we go. Thank you, Hans.
Sabi mo kasi hindi pa tayo quit eh. Hindi sana ikaw.
Hanggat hindi ka lamang Skido. Hanggat hindi ka lamang kampi tayo. Yes. Wow, Kill Uncle's using the Baron on Skido. Oh, guard lang po yung
eliminated.
Mas mataas sa guard ang card ni Kill Uncle.
Naramdaman bang i-guard niya ako kaya mo siya binaron?
My turn.
Nakita.
I am gonna be using the guard card on Itlog.
Don't tell me nag-handmade ka sa guard.
Nag-handmade ako sa guard kasi baka makuha mo yung baka ma-handmade mo ako ma-guard mo kanina. I'll go with the probability and guess that he has the prince card. I am correct.
Nakabawi na.
Probability.
Beautiful.
Kami na lang po ni Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle's turn. So Uncle's turn. Kami na lang po natitira. Prince. Gagamitin yung Prince either on himself or myself. He used it on me. Ay, shoots. He used it on me, so nawala na po ang king card ko.
Uh-oh.
Okay, my turn. I got the last guard card, and by default, si Uncle hulaan ko as the princess. Oh.
Uncle is not a princess?
What
No
happened?
way.
You have to click okay or something.
Oh, hindi siya princess.
No.
Wow.
Hindi
How
princess.
many more cards?
After niyan, iyakin na lang. Ayun, nakalagay sa gilid.
Okay.
Ooh.
Sige,
Priest. Ay, yun, nakuha niya na ang princess card.
what do you have? What do you have? Oh, another one.
Nag-priest card po si Uncle. Chinek niya akin.
I
was the handmaid. Last card nakuha ni Uncle ang princess. Grabe.
Thank you!
There's no way that he'll lose.
Also, Skiddo, I only had a priest when I got you.
Oh, nga. Priest lang
Why
pala
did you
siya.
Why did you baron that?
Damn it.
That was ballsy
Because
of you.
Itlog knew what I had. Sorry.
Okay, well,
No, you don't.
Yes, you did.
it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna wrap the second game up. Sayang, I almost had it. Pero Uncle Juan, good job. He ended up with a princess card. Skiddo, let's wrap game number 2. Go ahead.
Okay, so that's the second game of mini series of Love Letter with the 4 of us, and congratulations to Uncle for winning the second game.
Yeah.
So if you want, to watch this video in particular and any of our social deduction games, smash like button, hit subscribe if you haven't, and click also the notification bell to know when we are going to post a new video. So this is Mr. Lino, and see you on our next, third episode, I guess. So bye, guys.